I'm here and I'm shooting without the fan. Oh god, it's so insane. I don't know whether this thing suits me or not. Hi there guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing amazing. Please comment down below how you guys doing. What are you guys doing here, like in the lockdown period, especially for all of us who are in college. We do not have much to do, so just tell me how are you guys feeling and what are you guys doing at home. Okay, so today's video is going to be about how to have a skincare routine. Basically it's about the skincare routine that I follow to just get rid of the oiliness or the dullness that we experience by the end of the day. And mostly even when we just wake up, we feel like our skin is like so bad and it's so dull and it's so oily. So without further ado, let's dive in. So before I tell you my skincare routine, there is one thing I just want to tell you. This is actually a 5-step skincare routine, and I at times follow a lot more steps than I've told you, but that's just like once in a week. This particular routine I follow like every alternate day, or like thrice a week or twice a week. That is what happens in my skincare routine. Okay, so the first thing that I do is I use a face wash, and no typical over the top face wash that I use the Himalayas face wash, which is the neem face wash, and this one is meant for like acne, or I don't know, but I feel like the face wash is super good on my skin and it does not make my skin too oily. Why would it make my skin too oily? But okay, so it does not make my skin too dry. It just I just feel so good after applying this face wash, and I just feel like the dirt and everything that's oily and bad just comes out and my skin feels fresh. Okay guys, now step number 2 is using a scrub. Now I guess you would have already guessed that I am going to say about the scrub. Now the scrub that I use for my skincare routine is a rice scrub, and ever since I discovered that a rice powder can be used as a scrub, my life has been really very easy, because rice scrub is super good on your skin. It's just not too harsh. It's just like it's so granular, like it's just so good. I can't just explain it. What you guys have to do is that you have to just take some amount of rice in a bowl, and then you have to just grind them, and there it is. Just store them into a jar and your rice scrub is like ready. It's so simple, and you can have a big jar of it, and mine is like always mine is like almost empty. But I really love this rice scrub, and it is actually not just for your face. You can also use it on all of your body, like for your hands or for your legs, anything that you want to scrub. It's a super great scrub and I actually love it. Now step number 3 is using a mask. Also, you knew that. Now today I'm using another mask, and I've been using this particular mask for like a month or so now. Now this mask is actually supposed to detoxify your skin, brighten your skin. It will also deeply hydrate, protect you against pollution. We're not going outside, so I'll just cancel that out. And it also tighten your pores and boost radiance, which is very important for me. Radiance is #1 important thing for me. So this one is the algae mask, and the reason why I have been using this particular mask is that I want to just have that radiance into my skin, and I want to detoxify my skin and make it brighten. So 3 things are very important to me, and what you have to do is just apply this mask onto all over your face, and then you have to keep it for like 10 minutes, and then you can wipe it off using a cotton cloth or a handkerchief or a towel, anything that you have, with warm water. But you do not need to actually take the warm water, because आजकल टैप में इतना warm water आता है. Why would you take extra warm water? Okay, now this one is like has great smell. I really love the smell of the mask, and what I feel is when you apply the mask, it really just shows some goodness onto your skin. Your skin just brightens up. Yeah, it does look nice and glowy and radiant. It does has a nice effect onto your skin. Okay, yeah, that's it. And so if you have oily skin and you want just to detoxify your skin and just brighten up your skin, you must try this particular mask. I'm also going to leave a link about this particular mask onto my description. Just go check it over there, check their Instagram, check mine as well. It's amazing. Okay, and yes guys, now let's move on to step number 4 guys, and that is using a moisturizer. Now again, why am I using a moisturizer? Because I have dry skin, and I've just used a lot of products onto my skin which were specifically meant to get me oh okay, so which was specifically meant to help me get rid of the oiliness. So I need to use something onto my skin so that it just remains beautiful and radiant and bright. So nowadays I'm using the Eve's Rocher Hydrating Serum. It's a nice serum only meant to hydrate your skin. That's one specific purpose that the serum is using, and yeah, so I just use that. And after that I use an eye cream, and I'm using this eye cream from Requil. So I have made it a point to use the eye cream every single day, and guys, let me tell you, I've been seeing some good results, and this ends up my skincare routine to get rid of oily and dull skin. So I hope you guys would have loved this particular skincare routine. If you did, guys, please show me your love by commenting down below, or by liking the video, or by sharing the video, any way that you can do, or by just subscribing my channel and being a part of my family. Okay guys, I am eager and I'm looking forward to see you guys on my next video. So till then, stay blessed and stay happy, and yes, enjoy your quarantine time. Bye.